Hello everyone, I am Preeti. Today we will discuss about the structure of atom. First, we will discuss some question. Student, tell me different type of structure. I showed you will give me answer like ma'am. Its structure is sphere, circular and rectangular. Student, if we talk about the smallest part of the any structure, I sure you will give me answer today, ma'am. Its smallest unit is atom. That is we earlier discussed. And okay, good. Yes, this is a atom. But what about its structure? It is the smallest unit of, but it has some structure. Small. It is small. It is circular. It is rectangular. Yes, um, I know you have no idea about the structure of the atoms. Today I will discuss about the structure of structure of atom. Yes, structure of atom. First introduction. Atom are the fundamental building blocks of any matter. That is we earlier discussed, or that is very familiar to us. The atom has been derived from Greek word atomio, which means uncuttable or non-divisible. It is also familiar with us. Yes. The center of atom is nucleus, which contains proton and neutron. That is also familiar. Good. The atomic theory of matter was first proposed by John Dalton, a British school teacher in 1808. That is a new point. The atomic theory of matter was first proposed. The atomic theory was first proposed by John Dalton, a British school teacher in 1808. Dalton's atomic theory was able to explain law of conservation of mass. Law of conservation of mass, you are familiar? Yes. Law of constant composition and law of multiple proportion was very successful. However, it failed to explain the result of many experiments. For example, it was known that substance like glass or ebonite, when rubbed with silk or fur, gets electrically charged. It is the structure of atom that is also familiar. The nucleus consists neutron and proton. The electron is moving around the nucleus and its path is called orbit. Yes. Here we will discuss about the models which were proposed by the different scientists. First scientist is Thomson model of atom. It is model proposed in 1904. Thomson developed the idea that an atom was made up of electrons scattered unevenly within elastic sphere surrounded by a so positive charge to balance the electrons charge like plums surrounding by pudding. Its model is also called plum pudding model. That is very important. Who proposed plum pudding model? Plum pudding model was proposed by the Thomson. According to Thomson, the electrons charge are distributed on the surface of neutrons, and also on the positive charges below the electrons, and electrons charge are spread over the positive charge like the plum surrounded by pudding. Second is the Rutherford model of atom, that is proposed in 1910. Ernest Rutherford oversaw Geiger and Madsen carrying out his famous experiment. They fired helium nuclei at a piece of gold foil which was only a few atoms thick. They found that although most of them passed through it, about 1 in 10,000 hit. They found that while most of the helium nuclei passed through the foil, a small number were deflected, and to their surprise, some helium nuclei bounced straight back. Means इन्होंने एक फॉयल ली, गोल्ड फॉयल ली और हीलियम न्यूक्लियस मीन्स इलेक्ट्रॉन्स और किसी भी एटम को पास करा, और कुछ जो वेव्स थी वो टकरा कर वापस आ रही थी, कुछ उसी रास्ते वापस आ रही थी, कुछ थोड़ा डिफ्लेक्ट होकर वापस आ रही थी, और कुछ जो थी उसमें से पास हो रही थी. इस एक्सपेरिमेंट से उन्होंने ये कंसीडर करा कि जो उसके बिल्कुल मतलब टच होकर वापस आ रही है वो सिमिलर चार्ज है, मतलब पॉजिटिव पॉजिटिव चार्ज जो होता है वो रिफ्लेक्ट करता है, मीन्स पॉजिटिव और पॉजिटिव चार्ज जो है वो जब टच कर रहा है तो वो डिफ्लेक्ट होकर रिटर्न में आ रही है। और जो रेस डिफरेंट चार्ज की है, मीन्स पॉजिटिव यदि वहाँ पे पॉजिटिव चार्ज है, यदि हमारी जो रेज है वो नेगेटिवली रेज जा रही है तो वो उसमें से पास हो रही है, ये इन्होंने कंसीडर करा था। Rutherford model of atom. Rutherford's new evidence allowed him to propose a more detailed model with the central nucleus. He suggested that a positive charge is all in a central nucleus. Central में जो होता है वो positive charge होता है, with this holding the electrons in place by electrical attraction. However, this was not the end of the story. Niels Bohr. This is a next scientist who proposed the models in 1913. Studied under Rutherford at the Victoria University in Manchester. Means ये जो रदरफोर्ड थे वो इनके टीचर थे, ये उनके अंडर स्टडी करते थे। बोहर रिफाइंड रदरफोर्ड्स आइडिया बाय एडिंग दैट द इलेक्ट्रॉन्स वर इन ऑर्बिट्स। मीन्स जो इलेक्ट्रॉन्स होते हैं वो ऑर्बिट में होते हैं, रेदर लाइक प्लैनेट्स ऑर्बिटिंग द सन। लाइक जो प्लैनेट होते हैं वो सन के अराउंड होते हैं ना, वो भी ऑर्बिट में होते हैं। उसी तरह इन्होंने बोला कि इलेक्ट्रॉन जो होते हैं वो भी एक ऑर्बिट में होते हैं। मीन्स इन्होंने एक न्यू टर्म को डेवलप करा, मीन्स इन्होंने एक ऑर्बिट टर्म को हमारे लिए न्यूली ऐड करा उसमें। विद ईच ऑर्बिट ओनली एबल टू कंटेन अ सेट नंबर ऑफ इलेक्ट्रॉन्स। मीन्स इसका मतलब ये नहीं है कि ऑर्बिट में बहुत सारे हो, मतलब इसमें कुछ इलेक्ट्रॉन होते हैं। अटोमिक स्ट्रक्चर। दिस इज अ स्ट्रक्चर ऑफ एटम। मीन्स कि न्यूक्लियस में प्रोटॉन्स होते हैं और न्यूट्रॉन्स होते हैं, और इलेक्ट्रॉन जो होते हैं वो ऑर्बिट्स में मूव करते हैं। This is the evaluation part. Who proposed Plum-Puddy model? Thomson, Rutherford, Bohr. None of the above. This is your part. According to Rutherford, where is positive charges exist? Proton, electron, neutron, or none of the above. I hope your answer is electron. I hope your answer is proton. Proton is. Thank you.